Hello, let's quickly show you how can you change your address information from Finanças in Portugal. First, you need to enter to your Finanças and then in the search bar, search for Morada. Just write like this, Morada, and then you will see Morada, Morada, like this, and then you say acceder. When you say acceder, you will be taken to this web page. Then you will say entregar. When you click entregar, you will be coming in here like above, will be shown your current address, and below you will be changing your address. País da Novo Morada. In here you will change any address that you want, and then you will continue. You will put postal code and anything is necessary. And after this, you will be submitting this form, and in 1 week it usually tells you how long time it will take, like 1 week, maybe 10 days. You will get a code, and as you get that code you need to back to in here from the first place. If you need to enter to your finanzas, search for Morada. After you are back, you are getting your code. The code will be sent to your new address, by the way, I have to mention that. After you enter that, after you get the code, you come to in here, write Morada again, acceder again, and then you will say confirmar morada. You will click in here, and this page will take you to confirm your address, and like this your address will be changed. This is how you change your address from finanzas. And let's try to answer a few questions that are mostly people are asking. First, if you are foreigner, if you are not from Portugal, if you are foreigner, first time you got your NIF number, your NIF address, your finance, like your address from finanzas will be the one when you get your NIF number. It will be that address. So maybe you are not able to change like this. Like try to change like this. If you cannot find Portugal, probably you are not able to change. That's why first you need to go to Finanzas to change your address to any document that you can. Like for example, currently, they will only change to your address to what's written in Manifesto da Interesse, but because it's ending, it's already ended, you cannot change to here anymore. Like in the future, if you are seeing this video, if like you are seeing this video until maybe next year, this is okay. You can go to Finanzas and change your address to the Manifesto de Interesse, and then change your address doing like this. Try it like whatever, like if you are first having this question, just try to go here. If you cannot see the Portugal, probably you cannot change your address. And you need to go to Finanzas to first time change it. After you first time you change it, you can change it as many times as you want. This was the question that people usually ask a lot. They cannot find solution for this, and this is how you can do that. You try to resolve in here. If you cannot, then it's for sure you need to go to the finances. But when you go to there, you need to know in which address that you are changing, because it really changes. Sometimes they ask for contract for the home that you are staying. Sometimes it might be work. Sometimes even they don't accept these, that you need to only change to the address that you were given, you gave for Manifesto Interesse for now. So this might change, but try to this, and if not, then you need to get more information. If like those situation, nothing, you are not having any of this situation, if you cannot change in here, go to finances and ask them, I cannot change my address online. What can I do? They will inform you the updated one. Like maybe right now they change for manifesto interest, but later maybe they will not be changing for this anymore. They will be might be asking you for additional documents, maybe from Junta Ferguesa, to go to there. They saying that I live in here, I want some one paper to change my address from finances, and they will accept that. So all the possibility changes. If you cannot change online, just go and confirm with Portal das Finanças. But after you do that first time, it's working and you can change like this. That's all for this video. Thank you so much to watch, and and I hope it was helpful. And make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like our video, and put some comments like questions, anything if you have in head, so I can help with this.